Michael and I have been out planting tulips today, and of course that made me think of cookies. So I'm going to make some cookies. It's sort of a different kind of cookie. It's a cinnamon toast crunchy marshmallow cookie. We're going to start out with 1 cup of softened butter. And to that, I'm going to add 1½ cups of sugar. And then I'm just going to slightly mix that. Now you can see that it's mixed that in and with the butter. Now I'm going to add 2 large eggs. And of course, one of my favorites, a nice teaspoonful of real vanilla. Okay, that is all mixed up nice and smooth. Now over here in another bowl, I'm going to take 3 cups of plain flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to take a whisk and just mix that together pretty good. And now I'm going to begin to add it to my mixture over here, slowly, so you don't get a cloud of flour. Okay, now you can see that it's mixed and it's hanging on to the beater. Very thick, very thick. What we're going to do now is take 2 cups of a Cinnamon Crunch cereal, and we're going to put them into a little baggie, and we're going to mash those up. You don't need it dust fine, but you need it to where that it's going to be just a little crunchy. Now I've tried to get it to where that there are no whole pieces of cereal in there. And I'm going to dump that whole thing now into my cookie dough. And I also want 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Michael went to the store to get these, I want you to know, because he said my marshmallows were old and yellow. So we got new marshmallows, and they're nice and soft and not sticking together. Oh, I may eat a few of those later. And I'm just going to pour those in. Now I'm going to get a big spoon, and I'm just going to stir that all in there. Okay, I've got that all mixed up good. And as you can see, it's a very thick dough. Now, if you happen to have a cookie scoop that is a large, which is about 3 tablespoonfuls of cookie dough, use that. I don't. So I'm just going to use one of my tablespoons that I use to serve meals with on the table. And I'm going to just get that pretty rounded. And then I'm just going to push that off onto my cookie sheet. Now you need to leave at least 2 inches between each cookie. And as you can see, that makes a pretty good sized cookie. Now I have put these on parchment paper, and by me just sort of eyeballing it, they're a little bit different in size, but I think they'll be all right. I'm going to put these into a 350-degree oven, and I'm going to bake them anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. Now, due to the size in your oven, it may go up as long as 15 to 18 minutes. You've just got to be aware of your oven and how it cooks. Okay, our time is up. Let's take a look. Whoa, look at those monsters. You know what? I like a big cookie. You can eat a cookie and somebody will say, "Oh, you eating cookies?" And you can say, "Well, I just had one." They don't need to know that they were like 3 inches big. We're going to let these cool here on the cookie sheet for 5 minutes. Then we'll take them off, put them on a wire rack, and let them cool completely. You might want to give this one a try. It's fun. The kids will love them. Grown-ups will love them. Give them a try.